Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to link WhatsApp for business with Facebook ads. So you can just open the Facebook page, and here in the scroll down you will have to click to find settings and privacy. So in the here you will see, you will just a little bit scroll down, and you will see there is a linked accounts. So you will have to must click to linked accounts and click to WhatsApp view, and here you can just add your WhatsApp business number and send code to WhatsApp. So it will be just sent to code on your WhatsApp. So you will just copy the 5 digits number of verification and put it here to complete it. I will just copy it and type it here for verification. So here adding to your business portfolio, so you will have to just click to continue. So this is your accounts are connected with each. So here you will create. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.